Okay, so the Justice League's first look of Jared Leto's Joker has been revealed, and I must say it really looks nice. I'm not gonna lie, it really looks nice. The the thing I'm asking right now is this Jared Leto's Joker going to be like a main character in the film? Because I don't know. They have been really showing a lot of snippets, a lot. They have really talked more about Jared Leto's character than even the main cast members of the main heroes of the film. Like, I noticed that the marketing, I don't know whether it's Warner Brothers or Zack is doing this, but majority of the marketing for some months now, weeks now that I've not just weeks, months have really been around the Joker character. And here is the way it looks. I really like this Joker. It really looks nice. I actually like this new look. It really looks good. The thing here is that I really don't know why Warner Brothers or Zack. I don't know but I definitely think it's Warner Brothers because they are the ones that will pay for the promotion, and they definitely sign off on these things before putting them out. So what I really need to understand now is Joker gonna be a big fixture in this movie? Is he going to be one of the top priorities in the film? Is he really going to be like an accomplice to Darkseid or Stephen Wolf? Like, what would be his role? Because in the first Justice League film that Whedon completed, I did not see anything like Joker. Like, there wasn't even a mention. I don't know whether they mentioned Joker. I can't remember. It's been a while I watched Justice League, but I just can't remember any scene in the film that Joker was mentioned. So I'm now wondering how Joker is really a main fixture in this film, regardless of how much screen he gets. So I really don't know, but I'm curious to wait and see by next month what his role would look like, what he plays, how well it's really resonates with people, because people are saying now they like the new Joker that Snyder did. I don't know. I don't know what I can say for this until the Snyder Cut comes. I'm a big fan. I'm a Snyder fan as well. So um I really don't care just about this. Just really, I watch everything Snyder puts out because I like his directing style. But other than that, the picture really looks cool. I don't mind what I'm seeing right now. It really looks awesome. And there are other rumors that are coming out, but they are not yet confirmed. That I really don't want to go into reporting on rumors on this channel because it will probably not be good for the channel in the long run. So I tend to stay away from rumors and all that. I just deal with facts and announcements and stuff. I feel that is enough for what I should be doing. Honestly, that is it. So please do subscribe if you like what I do here. Follow on social media. I'm definitely going to see you guys next time.